Smoking fire, pouring up, Hennessy and Red Bull in my cup. OG Kush wrapped up in the wood, and I still smoke good in the A3 cup. Smoking fire, pouring up, Hennessy and Red Bull in my cup. OG Kush wrapped up in the wood, and I sounded the wood when it was smoking fire, pouring up, Hennessy and Red Bull in my cup. OG Kush wrapped up in the wood, and I still smoke good in the A3 cup. Still smoke kill in the older bill. I keep the leather on my back, wood on the wheel. If a nigga don't blow smoke on chrome, then I really don't feel how I'm supposed to feel, because I feel like blowing blunts back to back with no shame. Keep a pack in a sack to rap. At 13, I was taking special sweets to the dome with my nigga Lil Rome. You can ask him that. My home working nail rolled thin ass blunt, so we can smoke at least 20 every day of the month and keep at least 5 pounds of the hay in the trunk.